Have you ever had confusions in choosing the right VPN? I know we all love streaming movies, sports, and music online. Kodi has made it possible for masses of internet users to access media content that would otherwise be impossible. What is a Kodi? Kodi is an open source software for entertainment. Initially, Kodi was created for the original Xbox game console. It was later diversified to allow users to access and stream media content from the network and local storage media. Kodi by itself does not have any media content. Users utilize various plugins available on Kodi to access the different media content they desire. Kodi is compatible with almost all operating systems and hardware platforms, as various third-party plugins that allow copyrighted material to stream Kodi was fired greatly. Hence, there is an urgency to incorporate VPN as every time we use Kodi. Let me state what a VPN is in a few words. VPN or Virtual Private Network is merely a system that allows internet users to hide their location as well as their internet activities from their primary internet service provider. This will ensure privacy and protection over hackers and even the government who's watching over you. Here's the list of 5 best VPN for Kodi. NordVPN, IPVanish VPN, ExpressVPN, PureVPN, and ViperVPN. NordVPN. The primary focus of NordVPN is privacy, which leads them to reach the list of top 5 best VPN. It is basically located in Panama, which is one of the most secure places. The most important feature of NordVPN is that they provide dual VPN connection and you can connect up to 6 devices concurrently. They have servers over 60 countries. They provide binary data encryption and this VPN is super fast. The great advantage of a NordVPN is that they do not hold your logs. This VPN suits best for Kodi as well as torrenting and Netflix. Now, the NordVPN provides dual kill switch feature so that you can decide whether to close any particular app or terminate the internet connection when you face dropouts. The Smart Play technology helps you to access more than 400 geo-restricted streaming services. IPVanish VPN. IPVanish was founded in the year 1999 at Florida. They have a wide network with 850 servers in over 60 different nations, primarily in North America and Europe. IPVanish VPN is considered to be one of the best VPN among many network providers around the world. IPVanish is compatible with almost every device and also supports almost all operating systems like Mac OS, Android, Windows, and iOS. They provide you same user experience on every platform that you use. There is no price difference for different devices. This VPN is encrypted with advanced encryption standard. You are even allowed to use torrent with this VPN. You can use IPVanish on 5 devices simultaneously. They even have 24/7 customer support, but it is not very impressive as many customers felt that their response is not so good. ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN is the most trusted leader when it comes to virtual private network. ExpressVPN works great on all platforms at a very good speed. There are more than 150 locations that you can choose for connecting. ExpressVPN will provide you 30 days money-back guarantee. You can use ExpressVPN on 3 devices simultaneously and they have a very good customer support. PureVPN. Pure VPN was founded in the year 2007 at Hong Kong. They will provide you end-to-end encryption. Even though they claim to provide end-to-end encryption, they log their clients' IP addresses. So when your government asks for your information, they can never say no. The Pure VPN was among the initially developed premium VPNs. Their servers are currently located in around 140 countries. Pure VPN suits better for gaming as it provides unlimited bandwidth. You can have up to 5 simultaneous connections. Viper VPN. Viper VPN was founded in the year 2010 at Switzerland. This country has beneficial privacy rules for internet clients. Viper VPN has a very good customer support with a great encryption practices. It offers over 2 lakh IP addresses and are available at 50 locations with over 700 servers. The only disadvantage is that they cannot support Windows mobile users. Still, Viper VPN supports almost all platforms like iOS, Android, Mac, and Windows for desktop. Most Kodi users are fond of using these 5 best VPNs to get the better service and uninterrupted connection. There are 2 basic ways of connecting VPN and Kodi. First method will be using Kodi and VPN separately, and the second will be using Kodi with VPN as an add-on. Both of these methods are quite similar but differs in their operation. Check the in-depth reviews of individual VPNs in the description box. Click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get more updates on VPN as well as Kodi.